What's going on, guys? Hopefully you guys are having a wonderful day today, and in today's video I want to talk about Roblox. So Roblox was a free alert that I put out on Twitter for you guys, and I kind of wanted to go back and talk about why I put it out there and how you guys can possibly replicate this in the future. Alright, so the reason why I had Roblox was because I've talked about this when I came on the Unusual Whales Twitch last week or 2 weeks ago. I talked about finding these inside days, and how you trade these inside days is very simple. The break of the prior high, that this day's high, you go up, and the break of the prior low, you go low, right? So we had an inside day here on Roblox. Now let's take a look at the closer time frame. So if we're looking at the closer time frame here, we can see yesterday's low was sitting at around 47.60, okay? In today's pre-market, we can see that we have some support at this 47.50 level. Now, if we look at the free alert that I put out, I said what? I said I want to see a put of 47.5 put under 47.30. Okay, so why is that? That is because I want to get rid of these pre-market levels. Okay, the pre-market level here we have at 47.30. You can take a look right there. All right. And I've talked about how to take these alerts. I've talked about these triggers. If the trigger happens within the first 5 minutes, you get in right at trigger. And right at trigger within the first 5 minutes was right here when that 47.30 broke. Now, if you guys had your flow open, if you guys were paying attention to the flow, you can also see that right at the open here, lots of bearish activity started coming in on Roblox, right? They started coming in. They're starting to buy these puts on here. Some of them buying 48 puts that were a little bit in the money, but they were coming in and buying these puts, right? So once that took place, you have the pressure from the inside day kind of taking place, right? The inside day takes place, the selling pressure starts coming in. You have flow giving you some bearish sentiment, all right? And you have that morning drive down that's going to cause more selling pressure as well. And your next support on the daily is sitting at around 44.70, and you start getting some support at that 45 hold. All right, so those are the few things to kind of pay attention to. Just wanted to kind of explain why the alert was there, how I found it, and hopefully you guys can go ahead and replicate that. So remember, inside day, if the break of that day's low happens, you take it to the downside, you make sure you have flow on your side, and if it's in the first 5 minutes, jump on it, take advantage of the momentum, because that move down is going to pay you big. All right, guys, hopefully you guys found value in this video. If you did, go ahead and like it, retweet, and I'll catch you on the next one.